What if a single fruit could taste like nature's own vanilla caramel pudding? Hidden within the dense foliage of the Amazon rainforest lies such a treasure, the Abiu fruit. With smooth, bright golden yellow skin, the Abiu is an unassuming gem that hides a secret within. Its translucent, jelly-like pulp is so smooth it can be eaten with a spoon. A flavor described as custard apple, vanilla ice cream, and caramel. Botanical name, Puteria camito, part of the Sapotaichi family. Also called Kaimito tamari, or in Malaysia, the regal Wong Kum Kwo, emperor's golden fruit. A small golden jewel with a big story. The story of the Abiu begins deep within the Amazonian region of South America, native to the western Amazon basin, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Brazil. It is an evergreen tree, thriving in heat and humidity, often cultivated for generations. It prefers fertile, well-drained soil and full sun exposure for best yields. Ideal soil pH, about 6.0 to 7.5. Full sun is essential, sensitive to cold and strong winds, requiring protection in subtropics. Despite limits, Abiu has been introduced to Florida, Southeast Asia, and Northern Australia, where cultivars exist for commercial production. Patience matters. Abiu must fully ripen on the branch. A ripe Abiu turns a vibrant golden yellow and yields softly to the touch. Important: the skin contains a sticky white latex, strongest in the unripened fruit. A simple traditional trick is to apply a little oil to the lips before eating it to prevent any irritation. The pulp can be easily scooped with a spoon once fully ripe. Scoop it, add to fruit salads, or blend into desserts like yogurt or sherbet. A squeeze of lemon or a short chill enhances its delicate flavor. The dual nature of a challenging exterior yielding a creamy interior is part of its charm. Delicate, spoonable, and versatile. Beyond flavor, Abiu is packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. A single fruit contains notable amounts of vitamin C, A, and B group vitamins. High in vitamin C, key for immune support and white blood cell production. Rich in vitamin A, important for vision and protecting against macular degeneration. Contains B1, supporting energy metabolism. B2 for cellular energy processing. B3 or niacin helps create coenzymes needed to break down glucose and fat, an important building block for nervous system health. Minerals like calcium support bone health. Phosphorus contributes to tissue repair and energy storage. Iron supports healthy blood circulation and prevents anemia. High fiber aids digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes satiety for weight management. Antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress across the body. Combined, these nutrients support immune, eye, digestive, and metabolic health. While Abiu is not a magic cognitive booster, its B group vitamins provide foundational nutrients for brain energy pathways, a nutritious component of a balanced, brain-healthy diet. Now, over to Dr. John to close us out.
For centuries, Abiu has been woven into traditional remedies across its native lands. The pulp is naturally mucilaginous, sticky and soothing. Locals have used ripe pulp to soothe coughs, bronchitis, and pulmonary discomfort. The sticky quality becomes a medicinal asset, not just a culinary quirk, traditionally used for anti-inflammatory purposes, to combat anemia, to help recover from fever and diarrhea, and even against parasites when unripe. A plant part of daily life and healing in native communities. From ancient Amazonian roots to modern tables, Abiu is a golden gem worth trying. Unique flavor, rich nutrition, and deep cultural history, a rare treat for fruit lovers. If you can find one, we highly recommend tasting the Abiu. Tell us how you like to eat it in the comments below. Do take care, and we'll see you in the next video.